Hare Krishna. I welcome you today to chapter 9 of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. This is a new chapter we are starting. There are 18 chapters, in Bhagavad Gita, and there are 700 slokas. Each chapter, you must be knowing, is given a name. Each is called a yoga. That way, this chapter has been named Raja Vidya Rajaguhya Yoga. Now, the sloka time.
Shri Bhagavanuvacha idam tu te guhyatamam pravakshyamyanasuyave jnanam vijnana sahitam yajnatva mokshase ashubhat.
You please join me in the invocation to Lord Krishna. Krishna's judgment. Krishna rewards Arjuna with this Gitopadesh, leaving so many other people. Why? That is, one of the reasons is Arjuna is not envious of Krishna. If you see practically, if somebody is envious of you, you cannot actually communicate with him anything. He will not listen, he will misunderstand, he will go and misrepresent. All those things will happen. So, Krishna is right in taking a non-envious person for the Gitopadesh. What does the Lord say in this sloka? He addresses Arjuna and then says, this chapter is a most secret wisdom and the king of knowledge. There is a meaning in each of these. King of knowledge, how does it help us? It removes all the miseries of material existence, because when we are full of knowledge, then these miseries look very silly to you, very simple, and you are least bothered about them. And why it is a secret? If I give you an example, if I come to my house and at the end I tell you a small instruction, please go into your house and then read this slip of paper which I am stapling and giving to you. I am very sure that before you go into your car, you will open that. Can I make it that can I make you that you will not open that slip? Never. So, just as we don't want that paper to be made a secret, like that Krishna says, this Gita is a secret, we should not be seeing that as a secret. We must open it immediately. That is what Krishna's intention is. See, nobody wants his book to be kept inside a puja room permanently. So Krishna wants us to read. That's why he says in secret, don't treat it as a secret. And the last expression he uses is, you will be relieved of the miseries. The word relieved is important because it triggers a funny situation happening between Manta and Chanta, the two peons. Chanta declares to Manta, I am a self-made man. Then Manta is not a very intelligent person, But in this case, his reaction was a flash. He said, oh, making you such a personality is a great job. And it's not a joke. That you are not giving that responsibility to Krishna and taking it yourself by being a self-made man. Krishna is relieved of a great responsibility. Hare Krishna.